Well, hello everyone. I'm back, the new proud American conservative with more important info not too many of you can stomach. Yes, I am the new proud American conservative. I became American citizen last year. Very proud of that. Just real quick to go over the stock market today. The Dow Jones closed in the green again. Miracle, I guess. You know, big companies like the idea that Federal Reserve is now openly saying what their plan is, how to take over all the companies and what they're doing. The divide between the rich and the poor continues to widen. I mean, it is incredible. They're just telling it right in front of everyone's face. Not too many people are questioning it. The big problem in this country, the wealth inequality, no big deal. But guess what? It will be a big deal unless you pay attention. So look around, open your eyes, go to the grocery store. Over here in Florida, we got Publix, right? You go in, yes, you can buy toilet paper now, but there is not too many options for what toilet paper you're going to choose from anymore. Why? Because of Corona, LOL. It's Corona's fault. What other way you can, destroy small businesses besides saying, you know what, I'm just going to pick this company because it's worth billions of dollars and I know the Fed Reserve is going to bail them out, so we can allow them to be, selling their services, their product in our store, but not you. You're trying to make ends meet. You're trying to push your product, whether that's toilet paper or whatever. You came up with a different Oreo cookie. No. Only the originals stay. Nobody else allowed in. Get it? That's the bottom line. So Apple got bailed out. They're admitting, Fed Reserve is admitting that they're buying, corporate bonds. Boeing, of course, Verizon Wireless, Adobe, you name it. It's not, some barber guy down the street here that's been, cutting hair for 50 years in this location. No, he's not going to get bailed out. But Apple, yes. No, I'm not interested in investing in Apple for those reasons, but I also don't want to invest in something that's $360 a share. And I'm not interested in a fractional stocks buying, 2% of a share or something. I'm not. I like to buy 5,000 shares of a dollar stock, and when it goes to $2 or $1.30, I might sell them all and then buy again when it drops 10% and then sell again. That's my method. You do whatever. Maybe you're, sleeping with millions of dollars and you're just going to invest in Apple and wait for it to go to $500 a share, which, by the way, is possible. But again, I'm not interested in it. So you see how the game is played. Protect yourself by holding hard, tangible assets. Try to make some moves in the stock market if you are willing to speculate a little bit. I don't think it's a bad idea, especially if you know what you're doing and if you're not afraid, if you're not just going to keep the money in and wait for the rocket to go to the moon, right? And then you're going to become rich. Maybe you might want to just take some profits out and go from there. So if you're interested in that type of strategy, I got this stock for you. It's called FLNG. Okay, it's pronounced Flex, I believe. I'll write it down below into the box, chat box. You guys can look it up yourself. The reason I like this stock is, number one, 52-week high was 14 bucks, close to 14 bucks. Now it's 460. 52-week low was 360, around 360. And that's exactly when the big sell-off happened in mid-March, when we had close to 40% sell-off in the market. So this is where I'm looking at all the time. 52-week high, 52-week low. What happened in mid-March, where it was? This one now is only $1 more than it was at the lowest in March. So besides a few other things, that the earnings look really good and everything else, and there is a little bit of yield here, about 5%, I believe. This is the stock, if I buy, if I get stuck with, I think it's not going to disappoint as much as other sectors, other stocks, if we have a big sell-off. So this is going to be my pick, FLNG. I might be going in big this week. I will keep you guys posted. I know it's not $1, $2 stock that I usually talk about, because I understand a lot of people do not have enough to work with. So I give certain stocks that I know a lot of people can possibly afford for, like, let's say 20 shares, 200 shares, whatever the case may be. So this one is a little higher, almost $5. FLNG, I'm looking into it. If I do well, I will take 20% of those profits, buy some real money, gold and silver with it, put it in a safe place, call it a day, wait for another opportunity to get into the market. That's my strategy. Hope you guys like it. If you do, share these videos, like them, make a comment down below. If you don't like what I'm saying, say it. I'm a big boy, I can handle it. Talk to you guys soon. Take care and God bless.